All right, so now we're gonna inject. We got, like I said, we melted down the butter, garlic salt, a little bit of Danos, black pepper, sea salt, and some turkey chicken rub. Just getting a little bit in there. I don't want a bunch because with the deep fry tomorrow, I'll need a bunch of juices coming out, sparking anything, getting crazy in the deep fryer. We'll get it injected around, and then we'll do a butter rub, and we'll season the whole thing. Not a lot to season on the bottom. Get a lot more of your bone. We'll flip it over and we'll do it again.